Hey everyone! Welcome to Wise Learn. Today we're going to dive into two super important words in English, since and for. These words can be tricky because they both refer to time, but they're used in different ways. Let's jump in to explore their usage in detail with examples. Since is used when we talk about a specific point in time. This could be a date, a day, or even an event that started in the past and continues to the present. Let's go through some examples. I have been studying since 9 a.m.
I have been studying since 9 a.m.
Here 9 a.m. is the specific point in time. She's been working here since 2015.
She's been working here since 2015.
In this sentence, 2015 is the starting point. He hasn't been to the gym since last Monday.
He hasn't been to the gym since last Monday.
In this example, last Monday marks the beginning. We've lived in this city since we got married.
We've lived in this city since we got married.
Here marriage is the specific event. I've known her since high school.
I've known her since high school.
In this example, high school is the point when they first met. They've been friends since childhood.
They've been friends since childhood.
Here childhood is the starting point. The company has been growing rapidly since the new CEO took over.
The company has been growing rapidly since the new CEO took over.
In this example, the CEO's arrival is the specific event. He hasn't played soccer since his injury.
He hasn't played soccer since his injury.
Here the injury marks the beginning. She has been working on this project since last year.
She has been working on this project since last year.
In this sentence, last year is the starting point, therefore since is used. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast.
I haven't eaten anything since breakfast.
Here breakfast is the specific moment, therefore since is used. Next up we have for. We use for when we're referring to a period or duration of time. It's different from since, because we're not mentioning the exact starting point. Instead, we're talking about how long something lasts. Let's go through some examples. I have been driving for 2 hours.
I have been driving for 2 hours.
In this case, for is used because we are talking about the entire length of time the action has been happening, which is 2 hours. She's been working here for 5 years.
She's been working here for 5 years.
In the sentence, for is used because it refers to the duration of time that she has been working at this place, that is 5 years. They've been waiting for an hour.
They've been waiting for an hour.
Here for is used because it indicates the duration of time they have been waiting, which is 1 hour. I've known him for a long time.
I've known him for a long time.
For is used here to express the length of the relationship, which in this case is a long time, rather than a specific starting point. We've been living in this city for 10 years.
We've been living in this city for 10 years.
Here, for expresses how long the action, living in the city, has been happening, which in this case is a period of 10 years. She has been singing at concerts for 9 years.
She has been singing at concerts for 9 years.
For is used to indicate how long the action, singing at concerts, has been happening, which is 9 years. I've been here for a week.
I've been here for a week.
For indicates the length of time, in this case 1 week, that the action, being here, has been ongoing. We've been married for 5 years.
We've been married for 5 years.
In the sentence, for is used because it refers to the duration of time that you have been married. I've been thinking about this for a while.
I've been thinking about this for a while.
For it expresses the length of time, in this case, a while, that the action, thinking, has been ongoing. She's been shopping for hours.
She's been shopping for hours.
For indicates the length of time, which is hours, that the action, shopping, has been happening.
Here's a quick recap. Use since for a specific point in time or event. For example, since 2010, since yesterday.
Use for to talk about the length or duration of an action. For example, for 2 hours, for 5 years.